Welcome in this online lecture series. Today we are discussing about the overall syllabus of TYBSc paper 5th Industrial Chemistry CH 335. Let's see what is the content of this course of first semester. This course include overall 6 different topics which requires total 48 lectures. The first chapter of this course is Modern Approach to Chemical Industry, which require total 8 lectures. Now see what is the content of this chapter. In this topic we have to learn basic requirement of chemical industries, chemical production, unit process and unit operations, quality control, quality assurance, process development, pollution control, human resource, safety measures, different reactions, batch and continuous process, conversions, selectivity and yield, copyright and trademarks. Now what are the aim and objective of this topic? That is, you should learn being a chemist as you are the graduate in this stream. We must know that what are the basic requirement of chemical industry, how the different industries are working, and what are the safety measures we have to learn or practically utilize during the working in industry. Then in today's day-to-day life or market, we must know about what are the trademarks and what are the copyrights. These are the intellectual property we have to learn in this topic. So this is related with a first chapter. Then second chapter is agrochemicals. It also requires 8 lectures. Now why this topic is included at this level? As the most of students are coming from agricultural background, and there are some local advantages we have to take related with agriculture, then different types of crops, different types of sericulture industries, small industries. We must know about their knowledge. So this topic includes general introduction and scope of agrochemicals. You must know the meaning and examples of agrochemicals. For example, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, rodenticides, pesticides, and plant growth regulators. Pesticide formulation, slow release pesticide formulation, storage stability test, and industrial entomology. Okay, so these are some examples related with agrochemicals. You have to learn their structure, meaning, and how they act whenever practically used in the on the farm. The next point which is involved in this topic is advantages and disadvantages of agrochemicals. No doubt, all of us are much more familiar with different types of agrochemicals as most of us are familiar with a farm and farmer's family. Then you have to learn the structure of DDT, BSC, warfarin, aldrin, endosulfan, their synthesis and applications. Also, you have to learn the synthesis of DDT, BSC, and endosulfan. Okay, so being a chemist, we must know how they are synthesized, what are their properties. We should able to give the information of their structure and disadvantage also. Okay, then some natural pesticides we have to also learn, that is biopesticides like neem oil and currants oil. So the main objective of this topic, that is, as we have a farmer's background, rural background, and our college is located in rural area, we must know different types of agrochemicals, and there are so many opportunities in this field. Okay, this is related with a second topic. Then third chapter is manufacture of basic chemicals. It requires again 8 lectures. In laboratories we use different types of chemicals. Particularly, there are some basic chemicals which plays a key role in the manufacture of different types of chemicals, that is inorganic chemicals as well as organic chemicals. So this topic includes first A, the main basic chemical, that is ammonia. Physicochemical principles involved in the process of manufacture of ammonia we have to study. Then manufacture of ammonia by modified Haber-Bosch process. We have to learn this. That is its flow sheet, flow diagram, physicochemical principle which involved how it works and its uses, that is use of synthetic use of particularly ammonia. Then second basic chemical is sulfuric acid, the main heavy chemical which is used as a raw material in various type of industries, and we have to learn its manufacturing process by contact process, its uses and physicochemical principles involved in this manufacture process. Then third basic chemical which we have to learn is nitric acid. its physicochemical principle, manufacture of nitric acid by Oswald process and its uses. Okay, for this purpose you can refer the reference book, that is Basic Industrial Chemistry by R.K. Sharma. This is the very well-known book which is used for different types of manufacturing process of basic chemicals like ammonia, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and particularly these three processes are well defined, well explained in this book. So this is overall related with third topic. Then fourth topic is petrochemicals and eco-friendly fuels. As we are much more familiar with the three major fuels, that is petroleum, diesel and kerosene. In this topic we have to learn occurrence, composition of petroleum, what are the resources of petroleum, then process of manufacturing of that particular petrochemicals, some basic terms like calorific value of fuel, cracking, octane rating, that is octane number we have to learn in this topic. Then the fifth chapter is food and starch industry. It also requires 8 lecture. Now this particular topic involved knowledge related with food industry and its processing. You have to learn definition and scope of this industry, nutritive aspect of food constituents, food deterioration factors and their control. So these points we have to learn. Then preservation and processing, heat and cold preservation and processing, cold storage, food dehydration and concentration, various foods, their processing and preservation methods, fruits, beverages, cereals, grains, legumes and oilseeds. So the second sub point which involved preservation and processing, how we can preserve the food material, that this is the basic need of human being, and practically we have to learn these particular methods. Okay, then the last sub point of this topic is food additives, enhancers, sugar substitutes, sweeteners and food colors. So we are going to study different examples of food additives in this point or in this topic. Then second half portion of this topic is starch industry. Starch, one of the natural polymer, that is the chemistry of starch, manufacturing of industrial starch and its application, characteristics of some food starches, non-starch polysaccharide, cellulose and their occurrence. So these points we have to learn in this topic. Then last topic of this particular course is the cement and glass industry, right? So all of us much more familiar that is one of the key components of construction industry is the cement building material. So cement industry we have to learn its importance, composition of Portland cement, raw material of Portland cement, different types of cement, hardening of cement, reinforced cement or reinforced concrete and different methods. Then second subpoint of this particular course topic is the glass industry. Glass, one of the designed structural component of different types of work. And in this we have to study the glass industry, manufacturing process, different components of glass and various types of glass material. Okay. So in this module we discuss the syllabus and different types of topics we have to learn in this semester. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.